During the last shorts, I've built up some arc of suspense, asking you what my new smart home project would be about. Now here's the solution to the riddle. I've used my good friend, the 3D printer over there, to print a new base where I put the electronics in. But what should it be used for actually? Well, now here's the answer. Actually, I'm going to build a smartification of my IKEA Fado lamp, which you all probably know, but the standard IKEA Fado lamp is a little bit boring because it allows you to only use this hand switch to turn it on or off. And I think that's not very smart. Of course, you could also use a smart bulb, but the problem with smart bulbs is that as soon as someone in your house turns off this manual switch, the smart bulb will not get any power anymore, and then it will not be connected to the cloud or to the internet anymore or to your Wi-Fi, and so it cannot be turned on or off via Wi-Fi anymore. So I was looking for a smarter way to control the IKEA Fado, to be able to control it via automations, but also still manually in a smart way. And here the idea was to use my fingers to tap it to turn it on or off. And here you can see the result. I think it works great. It works, but there's still room for improvement. For example, we can still see the status LEDs of the electronics components if the light is turned off, which is of course not very good. Also, some of the cables are visible in the form of shades in the outer sphere, so this is also not very good, so I need to kind of shield this. Also, I need to extend the bottom plate that I built to be able to really stick to the glass sphere of the IKEA Fado, because in the original IKEA Fado bottom plate, you can see that here, we have this tension mechanism that allows to really attach it to the glass without breaking the glass, and this holds very well. So I need to find a solution like that in order to be able to have the bottom plate really attached to the glass, so that if someone kind of shakes the glass or moves the glass, the bottom plate will not fall off, right? So follow me for more, and soon I will also post a tutorial as soon as I have finished this project and I have more details on how it will work.